Understanding Foul in Billiards, a guide for English language learners. Hello, and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're diving into a unique phrase from the world of sports, foul in billiards. This term might sound straightforward, but it carries specific meaning and significance within the game of billiards. Let's break it down together, ensuring you can understand and use this phrase like a native speaker. Before we explore the term, foul, it's essential to understand the game it comes from. Billiards, often known as pool, is a popular tabletop game involving cues, balls, and a felt-covered table. Players aim to strike the balls into pockets or achieve specific formations, depending on the game variant. It's not just a game of skill but also of precision and strategy. In billiards, a foul refers to an action that breaks the rules of the game. Think of it as a mistake or an illegal move that results in a penalty. Fouls can happen for various reasons, such as accidentally hitting the wrong ball first, failing to hit any ball, or even knocking a ball off the table. It's crucial for players to avoid fouls to maintain a fair and competitive game. When a player commits a foul, there are specific consequences, often benefiting the opposing player. Depending on the game's rules, the opponent might receive an extra turn, a chance to place the cue ball in a favorable position, or even points. Recognizing and understanding fouls is important not just for playing the game but also for appreciating the skill and sportsmanship involved. Interestingly, the term foul has transcended billiards and sports in general, finding its way into everyday language. When someone says, "You're fouling," in a general context, they might imply that you're breaking the rules or not playing fair. It's a testament to how sports terminology can enrich and add layers of meaning to our daily communication. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, foul in billiards, and given you a deeper understanding of its significance in both the game and everyday language. Remember, language learning is like a game of billiards. It requires precision, strategy, and sometimes, knowing how to play by the rules. Keep practicing, and you'll master the game of language in no time. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.